Hi there, welcome. Today's recipe is chicken breast with Diane sauce. Okay, first thing what we're gonna do, we're gonna turn the oven on mark number 4, that's equivalent to 180 degrees. Now, I've got a frying pan in here. We're gonna turn it on high heat. Add some oil and some salt. Now, while we've got the oven heating up, the frying pan getting hot, we're gonna do the chicken. I've got 4 chicken breasts in here. What we're gonna do, we're gonna slide the knife from the middle to nearly the end, but not quite all the way, like that. Slide the knife from the middle. You do not need to do any force, just let the knife do the job. Like that. In a professional kitchen, this method is called butterfly. Slide the knife to open it like a butterfly. The reason why we do this, so that the chicken will cook much quicker. Like that. Now we're going to change the chopping board and wash the knife. Now we're going to cook the chicken. To give it that nice brown color. Always wash your hands when you touch the chicken, and then we're gonna peel and slice 2 medium onions. Always, when you use a chopping board, always do a wet cloth underneath, so that way it will hold the chopping board and will work safely. Now we're going to slice the onion and we're going to put it into this container. I'm going to put it into this container. Oops. Then, after the onion, we're going to peel and slice 4 cloves of garlic. When it comes to garlic in the kitchen, it is very, very important and health beneficial to use garlic in cooking, apart from give that beautiful taste. Now, we're going to slice the garlic and put it with the onion. Now, we're going to turn the chicken. Look at that. Beautiful. Brown color. Now we're going to slice the mushrooms. I have some oyster mushrooms. This one we can do it with our hand, like that. I'm using some oyster mushrooms and some button mushrooms. But you can use what you can find in your local grocery. I've got some button mushrooms in here. Just slice it. And we're going to put it with the onion and garlic. So that will be our preparation for the sauce. That's the mushrooms. Then we're going to add some thyme to that and some bay leaves as well in there. Always cut the bay leaf so the aroma will go into the food. Now, what we're going to do, we're going to transfer the chicken into a tray with all the juices. And we're going to leave the frying pan into the heat, and we're going to cook the chicken in the oven. By the time we do the sauce, the chicken will be ready. Now, we've got the preparation, we've done the onion, the garlic, the thyme, and we're going to put it in there. We're going to stir it. And we're going to cook the onion, the garlic, the thyme, the mushrooms for about 3 to 4 minutes. Like that. At this stage, we need to make sure that we've got the rest of the ingredients ready. Now, we've got about 200 milliliters of brandy, chicken cubes, some 400 milliliters of hot water, 20 grams of English mustard, and about 200 milliliters of double cream. We make sure that that is ready to go. Then the mushroom, the onion, and the garlic is cooking nicely, and then we continue with the sauce. For ingredients, method, and recipes with pictures, please do log on our website, robandjays.com, or like us on our Facebook page, Rob and Jays. You can also follow us on Instagram and Twitter. And please do share our work so other families will benefit. Thank you very much for that. So now, we're going to add the brandy. Now the brandy, if we are using 200 milliliters, we need to reduce it by 3/4 in there. We're going to add the brandy, and if you are confident enough, you can flambe. Lift the frying pan gently and let the alcohol burn. Like that. Then we're going to add the cubes and the hot water. That's the alcohol, it's burning nicely. And then it's reduced to 3/4. Now we're going to add the chicken cubes in there and the hot water. If we are using 400 milliliters of water, we need to reduce it by half. Then we can add the water, and we're going to stir so the cubes will dissolve. Look at that, beautiful. We reduce the water by half. Also, you can put the cubes straight in the water and mix it up. By the time the water is reducing, we're going to tidy up. And then we prepare a plate, and the recipe will be ready. We're going to leave the water to reduce to give us that nice sauce consistency. Then we're going to add the English mustard, stir into the sauce. Look at that, beautiful. And then we add the double cream. Now we can add the double cream. Stir everything together. Let the sauce come to the boil. And then we can take the chicken out. Now we can take the chicken. The chicken should be cooked. If it's not cooked, leave it in the oven, or you can finish it in the sauce. So you can see, always it's cooked. Always, to be sure, cut one to make sure it's cooked, and then you can finish it in the sauce. Or you can serve it separate. It's your choice. With all the juices in there. Remember to switch off the oven. And we can switch off the sauce. And we can serve chicken breast with Diane sauce. For more videos, please click the bottom right hand corner to subscribe to our YouTube channel to receive more recipe ideas. And thank you very much for watching, and have a good day. Bye now. Bye bye.